Hey there! Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are talking about on how to sign up in WriteSonic. Yes, WriteSonic is one of the most powerful AI platform nowadays that will help you to make your life more convenient and easier. So, without further ado, let's get started. On your Google Chrome, just type WriteSonic.com. Okay, .com. And click this enter button, and you are now in the website of WriteSonic. So all you need to do, guys, by the way, as you can see, it says here best AI writer for creating. Alright? Create SEO optimized and plagiarism free content for your blogs, ads, emails, and websites 10 times faster. And the good thing of it, this is for free. No credit card required. Alright, so I know that you're excited. So, the second step we have is to tap this start writing for free. Okay, and as you can see, guys, we can sign up through our Apple or through our Gmail account. Okay, so let us, or also we can type our full name over here. Okay, so now let us continue this, okay, with our Gmail account. Alright, and click confirm. Okay, so let's wait for a moment. Alright. Okay, so there you go, guys. In just a matter of seconds, you have now already an account of WriteSonic. So you can now start browsing, okay? You can start exploring the beautiful features of WriteSonic. So this is where you can see your library, your history, your brand voice, AI writer, etc., etc. Alright? So that's it. This is so simple. So this is on how to sign up in WriteSonic. So if you want to know on how to sign up in WriteSonic, then that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to sign up in WriteSonic, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys!